Ready? Start. Questions relating to the vehicle or about the vehicle are matters of concern in Chapter 4, under which the central government is empowered to set the term for the fitness or the age limit of the vehicle. Chapter 5, on the other hand, contains the legal regime with respect to operations of transport vehicles. It is under this chapter that the Parliament intended that there must be a provision for replacement of a vehicle covered under a permit so that the permit granted could continue and subsist till the end of its tenure. Chapters 4 and 5 operate in their own field, subserving the purpose and objects mentioned therein. For the reasons stated above, we are of the view that Rule 174 Class 2 Class C made by the state government to enable replacement of the vehicle under a transport permit does not impinge upon the powers of the central government with respect to fixation of the age of the vehicle or fitness of the vehicle conferred upon it under sections 56 and 59 in chapter 4. The scrutiny under Rule 174 is only to enable the authority to ensure that the subsisting permit is not interrupted and at the same time public interest is not compromised by deviating from the permit. The rule will have no bearing on the power of the central government, and as such it would not be ultraviolence the provisions of the Act. There is yet another aspect which can lend a certain amount of clarity to this position. The vehicle which the authority may not approve for replacement under section 83 on the ground that it is older than the vehicle covered under the permit can be used as a transport vehicle within the state. There is no prohibition for such a usage as the said vehicle may continue to be fit and within the age limit prescribed by the central government. The rigor of Rule 174 Class 2 Class C is only in the context of a subsisting transport permit and not as a condition for transport vehicles as such. We may now come to the Act. Section 83 clearly predicates replacement of the vehicle by vehicle of the same nature. The legislature have used the expression purposely. They could have used various other expressions. To us, the expression is clear. Some nature would mean a bus by a bus, a mini bus, by a minibus, an air conditioned bus, by an air conditioned bus, a truck, by a truck, and not a bus, by a minibus, and an air conditioned bus, by a non air conditioned bus or minibus, by a regular bus. That is the only restriction. Full stop.